Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today's video gonna be really simple because yet another background removing website, background removing tool, whatever you wanna say it, a web app. uh, as many of you guys know already, like I believe my audience should know about this, that is there is a website that is remove.bg, which helps you to remove backgrounds from images. Like any image, if it has a background, it can totally remove it and give you the png format of it. So that's a really great thing when you don't want to waste a lot of time in photoshop, or you are doing a quick project and you need to remove the background. Now remove bg gives you 5 photos per day, so no, not more than that. But there's another uh, actually tool that came up recently, and it's still giving unlimited, I think. And it will obviously gonna charge soon, like it will have a payment option soon, but still it is not having that. So it's really great to use right now. Later we will see how it works and all. Now if you know about remove bg, this gonna be same, but if you don't know about remove bg, let me show you how this platform works and whatever works best for you. So here is our today's website, that is erase.bg. Remove.bg, erase.bg, kind of a similar name, and their interface is also same. I don't know why they have created this, but like they have done this on purpose or what, I don't know about that. But I don't know why they have created all of this in purpose. And here I have tried one of the images from them. As you can see here, there are lots of images that you can try from. If you don't have any particular image, like I don't have any particular image right now to remove the background, so I will just click on their pre-made images. So as you can see, it is doing a really great job as it's using ai. Like let's give it a task, like let's give it a heavier task to lift off. Let's suppose we want to remove background from this one. So I will just copy the image from here. Even you can just copy the link of the image as well. Like here is copy the link. Here you can paste it, and it will, okay, fail to download from url. Okay, no problem. Let's copy image and paste it again. It will do it for sure. Yeah, it's not a quite doing job, but here are some of the residue remaining. It should have also cleared that out. Here some of the parts of the laptop is gone also. Okay, let's try giving it the full size image, because it's a little bit downgraded image, as it's just a thumbnail image. Still it's not doing a great job. So yeah, there is some shortcomings yet, and there isn't any editing tool, like editing option. Just like remove vg. Let's go to remove vg and side by side compare it as well. So here in remove vg, I will just paste this. I am just wasting one of my data, like one of my chances. Why the heck? Actually, Rio VG and them are both doing the same thing, like almost same, not too much difference there. And but the sweet thing about Remo VG is you can edit the picture as well to get the whole thing that you want to have. Oh wait! Actually, Remo VG is doing better. Remove is doing better, because here we can see that uh, this laptop's hinge portion is completely gone, but not here, but not in remove vg. So obviously they are doing better. Remove vg is doing better. So that's it. We can see the results, and comparing them side by side we can get a better comparison of which one is doing better. So as you can see, it's obviously not reliable, but it's okay for doing simple stuffs like with a like with a clean backgrounds, I think. So if we choose this one, I think at least it will uh, remove it better because it's clear. Let's see how it's working here. Whatever, I'm using remove.bg for years and it's reliable and I love it, no problem at all. Yeah, for in this case it has done better, as you can see it. Whatever, all of those are depending on AI modules. So whatever is the case scenario right here, like if their AI module is not trained enough, this image results can be generated. And there is a limitation also, that you can choose up to 5000 pixels. So use this website when you have a cleaner image where the differencing back, separating backgrounds is seems to be easier, like clean backgrounds with any color, and you want to turn that totally clear of that background and turn it into png. Use this website because as it has right now unlimited support, like you can remove background from unlimited images. So use those case scenarios for this website. And rather than that, if you have something complex, obviously go for remove pg. Don't go anywhere else because it does a really really great job. And as I am showing you all of the background removing tool today, so let's see these two, like see another website too, that is sticker mule. So here is sticker mule, but to be honest, personally I don't like it because you have to log into it in order to use sticker mule, and there's too much hustle to use it, so I really don't like it. I usually go for back remove pg. Whatever, in case if it like erase.bg gets better, I will be using it a lot for sure. But for now on, remove bg is my go-to. Like this is the most reliable one. And this one, uh what the heck, remove backgrounds from image, remove they shouldn't have copied this. Like here they have as if you can see, like here they have just added remove background from images for free in the title, and remove vg has remove background from image. Like they shouldn't have copied the title like this much similar. So I don't know about them. They should have done something new. I don't know, but that's it. That's how they plan to do it. Let's see what happens next. So, remove bg is totally reliable. Use it for complex projects, complex images, and erase.bg, use it for simpler images because it's not that much of a that it's not doing that much of a good job. So, that's it. That's it for this video. If you like my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like my contents, why if you like my channel if you don't see my contents? If you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know some of the, not this is not great tool, but some of the great tools like this, so please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.